All right, let me now go across to my colleague Munish Pandey, who has been tracking these developments right from the beginning as far as this case is concerned. Munish, over 35 days, and the biggest name in this entire controversy, Deepika Padukone, will be questioned tomorrow. Is she already in Mumbai? And what about Sara Ali Khan? Because she just a short while back landed in the city.
Yeah, well, Ankit, as far as Sara Ali Khan is concerned, there is a confirmation and there are visuals of her arriving at Mumbai airport from Goa along with her family members. But as far as Deepika Padukone is concerned, till now there is no confirmation where she is. Sources are telling us that she has gone back to Goa, but also there are reports that she might be in Mumbai. So still there is no confirmation about where Deepika Padukone is at this point of time. But you know, the Narcotics Control Bureau is all set to grill Deepika Padukone over the alleged drug chats with one of the Con employee, Karishma. And just to give a sense of what exactly is happening at the NCB office, you can see there are Mumbai police officials who have now started barricading the entire area. This is the NCB guest house where the NCB team is expected to question Deepika Padukone tomorrow. But now on the other side, and this is something which is new, because from one side it was open, but now you can see the barricades are being brought in by the Mumbai police, and there are some of the helpers of Mumbai police who are now barricading the entire stretch, which is you know, the posh Kulaba area just adjacent to Gateway of India. So this is a very historic location, but again this is going to be historic because in the very same guest house, which my camera person Praveen Patil will show, in the very same guest house, Deepika Padukone is expected to join the investigation tomorrow. And once she joins the investigation, then again there are going to be multiple questions that why she was talking to Karishma about drugs, why she was talking about weed and hash.
So multiple questions she would be faced, and the heat is going to be turned on as far as the Bollywood A-listers are concerned. Well, whatever views you might have as far as this entire case is concerned, whether you believe it's a hit job being done to try and divert attention of other issues, or there are people, those who believe that it's time for a wider cleanup as far as the Bollywood is concerned, the fact remains that at this point of time, we can only go rely by the agencies and possibly hope that a thorough investigation takes place, because important in this entire matter is going to be the fact what kind of evidence does the NCB they can put forward in front of the court instead of the selective leaks or possibly the WhatsApp chats. How much of evidentiary, in fact, value or weightage do they have is going to be a question for the agency now, in fact, as they go forward. But talking about Deepika Padukone, the biggest name which has now emerged as far as this entire investigation is concerned, I just want to clarify for our viewers, there are two FIRs. Number one, which was related to Sushant Singh Rajput, which NCB is in fact questioning and investigating. The other one is the wider net of drugs as far as the consumption is and supply is used in Bollywood. Deepika Padukone is likely to be questioned on the second part of the wider network and not related exactly to Sushant Singh Rajput case. But her questioning becomes important because not only another character who would be questioned with her is her manager, Karishma, who also belongs from Quan agency, who Jaya Saha also belongs to. And with Deepika, the agency would be hoping that many other big, powerful names, possibly they can get some leads on that as well. What's happening as far as Deepika Padukone is concerned, who will be arriving any moment in Mumbai and here in questioning tomorrow. Let's take a look at this report.
Big Bollywood drug cleanup drive. Deepika, who was in Goa for a film shoot, had to cut short her stay after CB issued her summons based on her WhatsApp chats with her manager in October 2017, allegedly seeking mal and specifically hash. Deepika is set to be interrogated in Mumbai on Friday. Sources say the actor has agreed to join the investigation. But this isn't the first time Deepika has found herself in the eye of a storm. Earlier this year, she faced heat over her visit to Jawaharlal Nehru University, where she stood with students protesting against alleged assaults by suspected ABVP workers. In 2018, the Karni Sena, an outfit representing Rajputs, had announced bounty on Deepika. The Karni Sena was upset with the dream sequence involving a Hindu queen and Alauddin Khilji in a movie that was based on the legend of Mewad's heroic Rani Padmavati.
By serving summons to Deepika, the Narcotics Control Bureau has reached the top echelons of Bollywood. If the probe continues in the same direction, many more names are expected to come. With camera person Praveen Patil, this is Munish Pandey in Mumbai for India Today.
All right, so Deepika Padukone, Rakul Preet Singh, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan. What are the evidence or at least the initial leads that the investigators have got on them and on basis of which they are being summoned by the NCB? Let's take a very quick look as far as these evidences are concerned, or at least the indicators that the agency is using for further investigation. Let's just first talk about Shraddha Kapoor, who will be questioned on Saturday, the 26th of September. Shraddha Kapoor allegedly has been named by Riya Chakravarti. And I once again want to reiterate that Riya Chakravarti lawyers have in fact issued a statement in which they have denied Riya taking anybody's name, but the agencies still maintain that she was, during her interrogation, Riya Chakravarti did in fact name Shraddha Kapoor. There are WhatsApp chats of Shraddha Kapoor with Jaya Saha in which she is speaking about CBD oil. Ladies and gentlemen, CBD oil in a certain quantity is not illegal, but the fact is that this could lead to a larger conspiracy because Jaya Saha now finds herself as at the center, at the fulcrum of this entire investigation. Apart from that, Shraddha Kapoor was also named by the Pavna Dam boatmen who allegedly said that they were parties which used to take place. He was the person who was ferrying people to islands and various places, and in these parties there were drugs which were being consumed. Meanwhile, there has been what are the leads as far as Sara Ali Khan is concerned? Against Sara Ali Khan, she, according to the investigators, has also been named by Riya Chakravarti. Apart from that, it was Riya Chakravarti who said that Sara Ali Khan was the one who actually went ahead and it was during the filming of Kedarnath that Sushant Singh Rajput got hooked on to massive dosage of drugs as well. Apart from that, she's been named by the Pavna boatman. The proof against Deepika Padukone is a WhatsApp chat which has been in fact been picked up by the agencies from Jaya Saha through a group that Jaya Saha had on her phone, which also had Karishma, who is the talent manager for, in fact, Deepika Padukone. So these are largely the leads that the investigators have, and on the basis of these leads, these three actresses have been called for questioning. Going across now to my colleague, Maushmi Singh, who is joining us at this moment. Maushmi, at this moment when it's sort of started drizzling here in Mumbai, where we are standing just outside the NCB office, tomorrow it's going to be a star parade. By when is Deepika Padukone expected to be in Mumbai? And, are we in touch? What is she saying? What are lawyers saying? What kind of preparations are they making?
Right, Ankit. You're at a very picturesque location, Ankit, and that's an iconic spirit and landmark of Mumbai. I am also at an iconic location, perhaps not so iconic, but really symbolic. Yes, this is the residence of Deepika Padukone, the superstar of Bollywood, who came as a newcomer and then her success shot heights. Just like this skyscraper that you see on the 26th floor is Deepika Padukone's residence. Now about 600 kilometers, 10 to 12 hours journey by road, or whether she's going to take the chartered flight. She's sped off to the Mumbai-Goa expressway, but after that there are speculations that she's still in Goa. She hasn't yet left and would be leaving in the evening. She's got a battery of lawyers. She's consulted them because Deepika Padukone, the icon, about 27.7 million followers only on Twitter. You know, when she started that entire anti-depression, fight depression campaign, youngsters responded to her and they took it really positively. But today outside her residence in her society, the security has been beefed up. You can see a police van that's parked right outside Ankit here. Sanjay will actually show you. And police in anticipation has got security right at the entrance. We will have to see whether Deepika actually comes clean, because she's got a lot of love, lot of expectations, lot of support from the country, from the youth till now. But today, when there are drug allegations that she's facing, she
Mosmi,
needs to come clean on.
the kind of affection, the kind of love that Deepika Padukone and the Bollywood stars enjoy, that possibly also has been now a double-edged sword. I mean, that is why people are so interested in knowing. That is why there is so much, invasion of a sort as far as their reactions are concerned. Mosmi, thank you. Stay on with me. Let me very quickly go across to Vidya also, who is joining us. Vidya, Sara Ali Khan, another youth icon. She is today, in fact, she's come back from Goa. What is her family and lawyers saying about her and day after, because she has a double trouble? It was Sushant Singh Rajput's movie Kedarnath, which has come under the complete scanner. She's directly related to the Sushant Singh Rajput case now.
Well, she is related to the case. In fact, remember, Riya had many times had said, and not just Riya, there are many other statements of others, that it was Sushant Singh Rajput who was in the habit of consuming contraband. And it was because of him that all these other people, including Riya Chakravarti, used to get that contraband for him. And which is the reason why at this juncture, Sara Ali Khan's investigation, the statement recording is very extremely important.
Yes.
Because it is during the time that when they were shooting for Kedarnath that he really started consuming these drugs, according to all the statements that have come out in the open right now. Which is the reason why the entire link
Vidya, I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you here. I'm completely out of time. I've just been told that we have to slip into a break, close the show right now. Important day would be day 2. Tomorrow, when Deepika Padukone and Rikulpreet Singh would be here at the NCB office. It's raining today. Tomorrow it will be a stars parade, and the investigating agencies would be hoping that many more names and links would tumble out. Thank you so much for being with us. News and updates continue on the other side of a short break.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.